Hey guys, it's Jamie. First and foremost, I'm doing a huge makeup giveaway in the spirit of this video. If you guys want to enter to win the giveaway, you can go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave one comment down below about what video you'd like to see from me next. Here is everything I am going to be giving away. It's a massive beauty giveaway. Honestly, these products are bomb. So, it is a Tuesday, Jamie, calm down. Today I'm really excited because I just got a spray tan from Glow Boss and I'm gonna show you guys my natural summer, glowy, bronzy, tan, everyday makeup routine. Without further ado, let's beat this face, you know? Oh, also disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist. I don't really know what the heck I'm doing. This is all trial and error and we're gonna do it together. I think that I've made myself look pretty in the past, so let's just hope that the tips and tricks I'm giving you translate. Oh, no. So the first thing that we're gonna use is the Porefessional Pore Primer by Benefit. I love this primer because it just completely smooths out the skin before applying foundation. The first place of a tan to usually fade is your face. I'll go in with the Bondi Sands Matte One Day Tan. It's an instant wash off flawless tan for face and body. Just kind of gives that initial tan back into my face. And honestly, the trick with this stuff is just to keep rubbing because I know it's gonna look insane when you first put it on. It'll naturally conform to the color of your skin. The next thing we're gonna do is use the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. Mine is in the shade G+60. So I went to a makeup training class with Pat McGrath herself last week and she was applying foundation with her hands. And so I usually do it with a beauty blender, but now I'm like, well, if Pat McGrath applies foundation with her hands, then I'm gonna apply foundation my hands. It looks like my skin but better instead of just looking like I put cake on my face. And especially in the summertime, I want to make sure that you can still see my freckles through my makeup and see my natural skin texture. I always make sure that my neck gets pretty full coverage too. You can still see like my freckles and my natural skin through the foundation. So my under eyes are a complete disaster if you ask me. Pray. I've always had dark circles since I was a kid and I'm literally too afraid to get filler because it's just like anything close to my eye, I'm just like, oh no, I kind of like tense up. But if you guys have gotten under eye filler and you've had a good experience, please leave your comments down below because I'm genuinely curious. I really want to do it. I do know my friends have had good experiences. I'm just like scared, you know? Okay. The first thing that I do for this is I use the Cover FX Peach Color Correction Stick. I just put that underneath my eyes right before the concealer. And this just cancels out all of the dark circles and the redness. I'm gonna use this beauty blender that's literally heinous and needs to be cleaned 10 times over. And we're just gonna rub that right in, baby. Sick. Now we're gonna use my saving grace, the Tarte ShapeTape Contour Concealer, and my shade is in the shade Medium. This is literally the best concealer on the planet. It's basically like filler in a tube. I kind of do a lot of it because, you know, your girl needs to hide those circles. We're gonna sit for like 2 minutes and let it dry so that it can settle into my skin and so that I'm not losing most of the product on the beauty blender when I'm blending it in. No, I'm so hungry, you guys. I want tacos. Oh, that's what I'm gonna get for lunch. Now that we waited, we're gonna blend. And I also blend on the top of my eyelid because truthfully, the area around my eyes is always discolored. Cured. So when I do decide to wear eyeshadow, since I already kind of primed it with the concealer, I'm gonna go in and use the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. There's nothing that I love more than orange soda from the Anastasia palette. Don't be afraid of it. I know it looks orange. It is orange soda. But you guys, let me just show you. Let me just show you. Stunning. Like, don't be afraid to just really pack it on and look like an orange soda stunning queen, okay? Honestly, I'm so low maintenance with eyeshadow, I'm not gonna lie. I'm going to use the burnt orange in the outer corner. I'm also using the Sigma blending brush E25 to blend the burnt orange into the corners. Just keep on going back and like half a triangle in the outer corner and hope for the best. I go back with the Dior brush and I just mix it between burnt orange and sienna. We're just gonna bring that right below the waterline to kind of like smoke it out. I promise we're gonna blend it back out with concealer, so don't freak out, okay? I'm just gonna blend it with the concealer that's left on the beauty blender. Next up, I'm gonna be using the Tarteist liquid liner pencil and it's the double-ended stick. So it is a crayon on one side, and it has the liquid pencil on the other, which is what we're gonna be using. It glides on every single time. I like to do a cat eye wing. I've been doing that a lot since like high school, but I just think it kind of exaggerates that almond shape eye. I'm telling you right now, this liner, like I don't think that I'm very good at wings because of the way that this liner is made. If you keep on continuing the line out, it makes doing the cat eye wing so easy. It just glides on out, and that's honestly probably the best wing that I've done in a long time. So if you've been following me for a while, you know I love my turquoise blue liners. I just ran out of the NARS Larger Than Life Longwear Eyeliner in Khao San Road. It's a light blue that I love to kind of play with because it's my excuse to kind of make my brown eyes pop. I've been using the Maybelline Lasting Drama eyeliner. This is in Silken Turquoise. I just put this very lightly like on the waterline. And then I'm gonna go in with the Tarteist Mascara. I don't put mascara where my eyelash extensions are, but I do a little mascara on the bottom lashes. Then the way that I clean some of the fallout is literally I go back and I put in a dab of the concealer, blend with a beauty blender. Sick. To set the under eye concealer, I use the Laura Mercier Translucent Glow Powder. Great. One of my all-time favorite bronzers is the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. It's just like one of the best bronzers in the world. I use this Real Techniques blush brush for all over bronzer, and I just apply it in a very light 3 around each side of my face. So then I'll go on the neck area and just make sure that we're bringing that color down there as well. When we're focusing on tanning, we want to focus on the areas that the sun would naturally hit. Usually the top of your nose and underneath if you want to give that little appearance of like a button nose. And then the tippy top of your forehead. So I'll make sure to contour my forehead. And then bada bing, bada boom. We're gonna go in with the Dior blush brush and we're going to apply the Laura Mercier blush in Strawberry, which is this hot pink color that I'm currently obsessed with. I just love the pop for summer, especially against tan skin. Speaking of Pat McGrath, I also got her Sublime Skin highlighting palette. Can we just, wow. Ugh, swoon. You guys, this woman is a genius. So we're gonna take the middle color, which is Fine Gold. Gonna put a little bit on our fingers because a little goes a long way, and we're just gonna add this right underneath the brow bone as sort of the highlight. I'm also gonna put a little bit of that on the tip of my nose and on my Cupid's bow. Gorge. Then I'm gonna take this Real Techniques brush, and then I'm gonna use the shade Bronze Nectar, and we're just gonna put that on the high points of the cheekbone. And what I love about this is it just has the most like watery, shimmery finish that I'm obsessed with. It kind of reminds me of the Dior Universal palette where it just looks like sun on your face. When I do my brows, I use the GoofProof brow pencil by Benefit, and I do it just with a super light hand because honestly, I like my brows to be as natural as possible. I don't really like super intense brows on me. So I'll literally just fill in those gaps, and then I'll go in with the little spoolie, brush through. On to my favorite part, which is the lips, which I think makes such a difference in literally every photo. We're gonna go in with my absolute favorite lip liner, which is the Lip Contour in Trendsetter by Huda Beauty. It does not move from your lips the entire day. So then I'm gonna go in with Laura Mercier Nude Natural Lipstick. And the reason I'm using this is because this is really dark and I honestly just wanna get a little bit of more of that light pink in there. So I'm gonna go lightly dab. Then I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop So Juicy Plumping Gloss. I feel like it genuinely plumps up my lips whenever I wear it. And it just feels amazing. Last and final step is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. I like this for a dewy finish sort of setting spray after my makeup. I know that it's not really made for that, but it works. So just trust me. Hold it super far away. yeah, I don't really get that. That is my everyday tan, bronzy summer natural makeup routine, as natural as it possibly gets with somebody like me who loves to get glam all the time. I would love to see if you guys recreate this look, and if you do, go ahead and tag me on Instagram so that I can see your post and repost it on my page. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can get a chance to win the giveaway, and then comment down below what video you'd like to see from me next, and then I will enter you in the giveaway. I'm gonna link all the products that I use down below as well. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video, which is going to be recommended by one of you guys. I love you. Okay, see you guys later. Love you so much. I'm gonna go. All right.